Alright, this is the Mountain Man Shoot. We're going to load a Hawk rifle. One moment.
Push that and powder fill that up, and then when
first off, what you need to do is load it with powder.
Oh, okay.
Could you imagine doing this when a bunch of redcoats are shooting at you? There you go. Next we got going on is load the powder. One moment.
Then you need to grease your balls.
We're not even greasing the ball, we're greasing a mini ball. Mini ball. That would just grease that fucker up just like so. Wipe it off on the old woolies. Then can you stick it in the hole? Not much on like fucking. That's right. We'll ram her down good, boys.
A little further. That ought to do it.
Always put your ramrod back. Now, methinks I need a percussion cap. One percussion cap. Alright, and here we go.
Fire in the hole! Little premature ejaculation there.
Yeah. Sure scared the hell out of the mountainside, didn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta watch that set trigger. Sometimes you barely touch that son of a bitch and it's gone.
That's Mountain Man shooting. Later, we'll be doing pistols.